Hey everyone, look what just arrived today. I mean, these pieces are not only trendy and affordable, but there's more to it than just shopping. Did you know that you can actually get paid for promoting Shein? I'm about to show you how the Shein affiliate program works for South Africans like us and how you can start earning too. And the best part, this is something literally anyone can do. You don't need to be a big influencer. You don't need thousands of followers. Just your own social media platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or even TikTok is enough. If you love sharing your own favorite findings, you can turn that into your real income. Just a quick break before I continue. I've just launched the Hustle with Bafikile channel membership. Starting from as little as 14 Rand 99. By joining, you'll be supporting the channel and get access to exclusive content and special pics. Check out the full list under this video. Also, don't forget to like this video. It really helps support the channel. Subscribe if you're not already part of the family, and make sure to share this video with anyone looking to make extra income or start a side hustle. Oh, and make sure you watch till the end. I'll be doing a mini haul and showing a few of the items I bought from Shein. So let's get into it, guys. I mean, if you're already shopping online or just love sharing cute deals with your friends, why not earn a little extra? Shein is huge here in South Africa. People are constantly asking me, where did you buy that? This program lets you earn a commission whenever someone shops through your link. What is Shein affiliate program? In simple terms, it's a partnership. Shein gives you a unique referral link. Whenever someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid a percentage of their purchase. That's it. There's no stock, no upfront costs, no complicated contracts. Just share, people shop, and you earn, just like that. So let's talk about how ridiculously simple it is to join the affiliate program with Shein. I mean, I literally logged into my Shein account. I clicked on the affiliate program section and then I hit join. And then boom, I was approved, and almost instantly. They didn't ask me to prove followers or submit a media kit. So really, I mean, anyone watching this right now can try it today. So once you are approved, Shein gives you a unique affiliate link. You can copy it, sometimes banners or discount codes. You can share that link anywhere, on your WhatsApp groups, your WhatsApp status, Facebook posts, TikTok, your Instagram stories, even text messages. So if someone buys within the time, Shein tracks the clicks, which is usually up to 30 days, you get a commission. Payments are sent out via PayPal or whatever method you choose once you hit their payment threshold. So commission rates vary, but think of it like this, ne? If you help even 10 friends place, let's say, a 500 Rand order each month, you earn, let's say, 10% commission. That's 500 Rand just for sharing links you would have shared anyway. So bigger audience, more money, but you don't need a huge following. Some people make their first payouts just from friends and family. Let's talk about tips to maximize your earnings, right? So first of all, be authentic. I mean, share things you've actually bought and loved, like so honest reviews build trust. Number 2, use your circles. WhatsApp groups, Facebook community groups, Instagram. I mean, these are all gold. Number 3, highlight deals. Shein often runs flash sales. Post your link with a quick sale alert to create agency. Number 4, keep it consistent. Don't drop the link and vanish. Keep sharing new finds weekly. Every time you see something nice, trendy, fresh, post it, right? So number 5, disclose. Just say, this is my affiliate link. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It builds credibility. So remember to disclose, right? So why this is perfect for South Africans? I mean, Shein ships here affordably and quickly. My parcels just arrived. You already saw the proof. And prices are in rand. Duties are clear and everyone already is shopping there. So we are just turning our recommendations into a side hustle. So that's it, guys. Sign up, get your link, share and earn. No influencer status needed, no big audience. You just start. So I'll drop my affiliate link down below if you want to sign up today. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, to Hustle with Bafikile for more side hustle tips, and comment below, would you try the Shein affiliate program? Let's chat.